And he wrote this lovely short piece called Night of the Doctor, which blended the movie, that was not very good back in the day, with the modern story, and again gave us the concept that regeneration could change your gender. So they've been laying the groundwork. They had to warm us up to get us ready for this. And it's all the writers who do that work. Then Chris Chibnall took over, as I said, as Moffat retired. And I love what David Tennant said. He really thinks Chris is going to do a good job. And I tend to agree because I love the work that Chris Chibnall has done in the past. So I'm looking forward to what he might do with this character. And he's the guy who had the guts to say, I'm going to be the one who changes. I'm going to make the full change, right? So that's a big deal. When Jodie was chosen, she knew there was some controversy, people back and forth on the idea. Turns out it's about 80 pro, 20% against it. So, you know, but the against people always get the bigger voices. So we have to be louder than them and make sure the show gets really good ratings to prove it's a good idea to have switched it into a girl. So you have to have viewing parties on the opening night, right? And write about it on your blogs and, you know, Twitter and all that stuff.